From the DentalEye program, first go to Select Patient. When the Select Patient window comes up, type in the last name of the patient that you're looking for. Note that last name must be listed in the search criteria. That's the patient that has the existing images. The images must be unapproved, so you have to change approval on the images if there's not a red triangle in the upper left-hand corner. Simply do that by right-clicking on the image and click on Change Approval. You must have change approval rights to do this. Once the images have been unapproved, go to the left-hand column and click on the Unapproved Image Series. Then click on Edit. Move images to another patient. The Find Patient window will come up. Find the patient to whom you wish to move the images. Select them. Click OK. Click Yes. And Yes. The images are now moved to that patient. From that point, go to File, Save and Approve, and OK. The images are now moved to the other patient. It is that